Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 21 to 25 of the Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination, Quantitative Reasoning, Material 5. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't done so, do so right now to get access to more videos like this. Okay, so are you ready? Because I am ready. I am super ready. Okay, let's begin. So, we have a set of samples to study. Study the sample below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the questions that follow. So we have to study the samples. Okay, so I would like you to study the samples and see if you can see the relationship between the three numbers in each of the samples. Okay, so now let's do it. Now, to get the bottom number in this set of samples, all you have to do is to add 3 to the sum of the top numbers. That's all. Okay, so the top numbers here are 9 and 10. So what is the sum of 9 and 10? That is 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 is 19. Then 19 plus 3 is 22. So can you see that that's the bottom number here? So simply add the top numbers and then add 3 to the sum to get the bottom number. That's all. Okay, let's do the second one. So 7 and 6 are the top numbers. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Wow, it works for the second sample as well. Does it work for the third sample? 12 and 17 are the top numbers. 12 plus 17 is 29. Then 29 plus 3 is 32, and that's the bottom number. Yay, we got it right. Okay, so that means that for this set of questions, all we have to do is to find the sum of the two top numbers and then add 3. That's all, right? Okay, so let's begin. The first question is question 21. We are given the two top numbers and then we are asked to find the bottom number. Do you still remember what we should do from the samples? Okay, all we have to do is to add 3 to the sum of the top numbers to get the bottom number. Okay, so the top numbers here are 7 and 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. The 13 plus 3 is 16. Wow! So the missing number is 16. So which of the following options is correct? Option B is the correct option. Check. Question 22. Here we are given just one of the top numbers and the bottom number. The second top number is missing. Okay, so how do we find it? Remember that from the samples, to get the bottom number, we add the top numbers and then we add 3 to it again. But here, we already have the bottom number. So how do we find the missing top number? All we have to do is to do bottom number minus the given top number minus 3. So the bottom number here is 20. 20 minus giving top number, which is 3, then minus 3. That's 20 minus 3 minus 3. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 minus 3 is 14. So that means that the top number is 14. But how are we sure that this answer is correct? Remember from the samples, add the two top numbers, then add 3 to the answer to get the bottom number. So let's do that now. 3 plus 14 is 17. Now, 17 plus 3 is what? 20. So that means that we got it correctly. The missing number is 14. Okay, so this means that the correct option here is option B, 14. Check. Question 23. So we are given just one of the top numbers here as well and the bottom number. So we're going to use the same method for question 22. Missing top number is equal to bottom number minus given top number minus 3. The bottom number is 30. The given top number is 14, then minus 3. So we have 30 minus 14 minus 3. 30 minus 14 is 16, then 16 minus 3 is 13. So now let's check if the answer is correct. Let's add the two top numbers and add 3 to the sum. Okay, so we have 13 here now. 13 plus 14 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. Yay! That means we got it right. So the missing number is 13. Okay, and the correct option here is option D, 13. Check. Question 24. Here also, we're given the bottom number and just one of the top numbers. So how do we do this? Very easy. So missing top number is equal to bottom number minus given top number minus 3. The bottom number here is 30. Then the given top number is 16. So we have 30 minus 16 minus 3. 30 minus 16 is 14. Then 14 minus 3 is 11. So this means that the missing top number is 11. But to be sure that the answer is correct, let's add the two top numbers first. 16 plus 11 is what? 27. Then 27 plus 3 is 30. So can you see that 30 is the bottom number here? So that means we got it correctly. The missing number is 11. So the correct option here is option A, 11. Check. Now, question 25, which is the last question in this video. I'd like you to try to do this yourself. We are given only one of the top numbers and the bottom number. So can you use that formula again to see if you will get the answer? So pause this video and try it yourself. Okay? Alright, so let's do it now. Missing top number is bottom number minus given top number minus 3. The bottom number here is 18. The given top number is 6. Then minus 3. So we have 18 minus 6 minus 3. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So to be sure that the answer is correct, all we have to do is to add 9 and 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Then 15 plus 3 is what? 18. Yes, we got it. So this means that the missing number is 9. Did you get the correct answer as well? If you did, well done. Thumbs up to you. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 9. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your Loyola entrance examination. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.